If you're looking for a natural way to boost your health and well-being, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. All right, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what clove tea actually is. Clove tea is an aromatic and flavorful beverage made from dried flower buds of the clove plant. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its remarkable health benefits. One of the key benefits of clove tea, especially for those over 50, is its positive impact on digestion. As we age, our digestive system might need a little extra support. Clove tea can help alleviate digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. The active compounds in cloves stimulate digestive enzymes, promoting smoother digestion. Clove tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, making it a fantastic choice for combating inflammation that can become more prevalent with age. It can help ease joint pain and stiffness, providing some relief from common age-related discomforts. Maintaining a strong immune system is crucial as we age. Clove tea contains antimicrobial properties that can help fend off infections and strengthen your body's defense mechanisms. This can be especially important to ward off colds, flu, and other illnesses. Another amazing benefit of clove tea is its potential to regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly important for individuals over 50 who might be more susceptible to diabetes or blood sugar imbalances. Cloves can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of sudden spikes or crashes. As we age, oral health becomes even more essential. Clove tea has natural antibacterial properties that can help maintain healthy gums and prevent oral infections. It's also known for its breath-freshening effects, a win-win. Taking care of your heart is crucial at any age. Clove tea has been linked to improved cardiovascular health by helping to lower blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels. Including it in your routine could contribute to a healthier heart as you age. Now that you know about all these fantastic benefits, let me show you how easy it is to make clove tea right at home. To make clove tea, all you need is a handful of cloves and hot water. Simply add the cloves to a cup, pour hot water over them, and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can sweeten it with a touch of honey or enjoy it as is. Let's not forget the skin. Clove tea's antioxidant content can contribute to healthy skin by combating free radicals and promoting a youthful complexion. It's like a beauty treatment from the inside out. As we age, respiratory health can become more delicate. Clove tea's antimicrobial properties can help soothe respiratory irritations and promote clearer airways, aiding in better breathing and lung health. Cognitive vitality is a cherished aspect of aging gracefully. Clove tea contains compounds that may enhance brain function and memory retention. Adding clove tea to your daily routine could potentially help maintain mental clarity and focus. Maintaining strong bones becomes a top priority as we grow older. Clove tea is a natural source of essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which play a pivotal role in bone health. Incorporating clove tea into your diet might support your bones and help reduce the risk of fractures. Another fantastic perk of clove tea is its potential to regulate blood sugar levels. This becomes especially relevant for individuals over 50, who may be more susceptible to diabetes or blood sugar imbalances. Cloves can enhance insulin sensitivity, mitigating the risk of sudden spikes or crashes. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the myriad benefits of clove tea for individuals over 50. If you found this video valuable, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay vibrant and keep enjoying that nourishing clove tea. Take care.